all gonna get killed. Yep, they're all in a hurry. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is the Mazda trying to get into an accident? People are just stupid. They almost get into an accident just to prove a point. This is where you protect yourself with the camera, people. Just in case. This is why. So this one. He's making a U-turn. Yep. It's a great place to park. Okay. They don't even park near the curb. What the hell is this? No, this is something else. I know. Usually what happens, you get one person who screws up everything for everybody else. He's on his phone. It's a good time to text. Yep, this is something else. Now I remember why I'm sick of driving. Excuse me. Look out, look out, look out, look out. She might back up. Be careful. Look out, look out. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Very Paul. Happy. Why are you on the wrong side of the road? Phone zombie. Someone in the comments section said this seems like one of the worst jobs ever, doing this. It's not that bad. You know, you just gotta be physically active and in shape and willing to put up with little annoyances every now and then. Anyhow. You can go around, it's okay. See what they just start panicking when I see you.
What's up, brother? You want me to take your plates and
Look out behind you. Yep, I'm gonna make a U-turn right now and screw up everybody. Oh. Mercedes doesn't give a shit about anybody. That's how people are, man. I've been in that situation. Breaking down, yep. No sympathy from anybody. You got two people in there pushing out of the way, good. Oh, this is Audi doing. Yeah. Thank you, what is that? Juliet Edward Nora 3602. Thank you for signaling. Nice try, Hyundai. Didn't work. Nice signal. He's on his phone. Of course he is. On his phone. It's a good thing I'm paying attention. Because this fat butt would have run me over if I wasn't paying attention. That's why I got my body cam. What are you doing? You hit the hydrant. Yeah. Yep, you know, he hit the, what is he doing? He hit the thing. He probably screwed up the right side of his car, too. Real genius. He's like, yeah, you gotta go that way. Where do you see an exit for... Right there. Let's see how bad he screwed up his car. Hold on. Oh. Wow. That's what he did. He's doing Amazon deliveries. He left the door wide open to his car. Unfrickin' real. What are you doing, dude? He went past the stop sign or past the stoplight only to get stuck at another one. Brilliant. Big hurry going nowhere.
I love you, but you like it.
Oh, here we go. I'm just gonna drive on the wrong side and wind up at a red light. And yeah, brilliant woman, brilliant. Good job. Now you're on the wrong side of the road. You want to cut in front of everybody. I'm rich. I'm entitled. I was cut in front of everybody online. Yeah, rich people don't have to wait in line. Just cut in front of everybody. There she goes. Cuts off everyone.
Oh shit, how the I gotta go.
Perfect. A great place to park. Which way am I going? Let's see. This way or that way? Nope. Still off. This is why you gotta be careful, you know? This is why you gotta be so careful. Hey! Hi! You know what the crosswalk is? You're supposed to be behind it. You could have run over somebody, could have run me over. It's an old dude. He's looking to the side, and meanwhile he's moving forward. That's great, go ahead. Old person, that's how these people run people over, I'm telling you. Oh, he's looking down at his phone. That's nice. Some kid looking down at his phone. You know, typical. You know. This is exactly why I do not trust people driving at all. Look at this one. Let's see. S-T-O-P. What does that spell?
Now you sit on the green light. Will you ready to go? Now you sit on the green light. Will you ready to go?
Delivery guy. He parks to block the sidewalk. Good job. BMW, here we go. There he goes. Yep. You raced, maybe you can see that stoplight up there. That's where he's racing to get to. This is yours, Nick. There you go. Have a good one. Mark this is delivered. Alright, next. Starbucks. Wow, look at that.
Dead in North Carolina from a manufactured leather machine. Great job, Leather Pack. Great job. Because when the blood comes here, ain't no one saving you either. Stay in your phone, John. Stay on your phone. You'll see Florida will be wiped out soon, too.
Someone just slammed right into it on the side. Oh, man. Wow. Rear tires are like bald, almost. Wow. That's a lot of destruction.